Hello everyone and welcome to the Top Foreign channel. In my opinion, 2 is better than 1, just as you would prefer $2 instead of $1. Likewise, the same applies to this video today. Using 2 amazing apps that you can download for absolutely free, you can make up to $300 every day just by combining them. Let me show you how much money you can make with this free app. This is an automatic income stream that you can use to earn up to 11 or more over and over, like all of these people do right here, even while you sleep, when you travel, or even when you don't do anything at all, just like all of these people can do here. Whenever people download the file that you uploaded using this method, you will still be able to earn money 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. I will show you how you can make lots of money. It is now possible for anyone to create this income stream. You do not need to make videos of yourself, you do not need to have a social media following, and you don't actually need to have any social media profiles to earn money using this method. Since you are able to earn from home, you do not need to go outside and do any physical labor, since you can just do it from home. Similarly to many of the other methods I post on my channel, this method is completely free, so you don't have to pay any money or deposit any money. Additionally, this method works worldwide, so you won't need to set up a VPN or anything similar, because it works no matter where you are. Here's a step-by-step guide on how to set up this awesome income stream so that you guys can earn money online. You should make sure to pay attention to everything I say, because I am going to share some secret tips and tricks with you guys that you can use with this method today to maybe double or even triple your online income. In this video, I'm going to show you how to earn up to $200 with just 2 awesome apps that you can download for free. Thankfully, both of these apps are available worldwide, so you do not need to set up a VPN to watch them, because this method works no matter where you are in the world. However, I'd like to know what country you are watching from right now, so comment down below so that I can know where my viewers are coming from. But anyway, here's what you'll be doing with these 2 apps. So here's what you need to do. First, you'll go to one of these websites. Once you have downloaded the free image files on this site, you'll then go to the other website where you'll upload those free image files again. Once you have uploaded all the image files to the website, you're going to be earning money, and the more image files you upload, the more money you'll make. Now we're gonna make no videos, no websites, no affiliate marketing, no selling, no referrals, no social media. Just a plain and simple method anyone can do in 10 minutes. Of course, if you want to make even more money, you should spend more time with it. I want you to head over to the first app we're going to show you, which is Upload. If you click on the address bar of your browser, you can easily head to this website. You guys will need to use 2 apps to maximize this method, so make sure to stick around until the very end to find out what the second app is about. Now that we have seen this app, it is just the first one that I'm going to show you, so stick around to find out about the second app. At this point, I'd like to give you guys a quick explanation of how this app works, so you can basically make money by uploading free files to this website. If you upload styles and images to our website, and someone downloads them for free, you'll earn up to $7 every time you upload them to this website. Maybe you're wondering where you'll find the files you need to upload to this website. Here's where you can find free images and files that you can upload and download later. Here in the video, I'm going to show you how you can create an absolutely free new account here on this website, so you need to start by going to the home page. Then you just need to click on the sign up button on this page, which will take you to this sign up page right here, where you can just fill in your name and other personal information here. A really quick suggestion right here. In order to register on this website, you can create a new dummy email account, but it's because some websites like this tend to send out promotional material directly to your email. Consequently, you might miss some important emails because these promotional materials might flood your email. When you fill out the form, select your payment option right here after you've filled it out. I personally use a dummy email, and I recommend you do too. Click on this link right over here to sign up for a brand new account for free, and once you've got your account set up, you can start uploading files and making money. I will now show you how to get your free files from the second website we mentioned above. Before we move forward, let me tell you that I am going to post more videos on this channel about how to earn money online. We created this channel to help you guys learn how to make money online to pay your bills. I put a lot of effort into making sure you guys understand these methods and that they work. If you could subscribe and hit the notification bell, don't forget to like and leave a comment in the comment box below. Let's get back into the video now, so I would encourage you to go to this site here called Pixabay. If you are using a mobile device, you can check out the Pixabay app right here now by going to the Google Play Store and looking for the app with the same logo as this one. You can quickly access this website by simply typing pixabay.com into the address bar of your browser. You will want to ensure that you download the app with the same logo as this one right here so that you do not get a virus. But for the sake of this video, now that I am using a computer, you might be wondering what this Pixabay website is about. Pixabay.com is a website where you can find pictures, illustrations, vector graphics, film footage, and even music. As you can see here, you can find a lot of royalty-free and copyright-free images of really high quality. This is released under a Creative Commons license, so you guys can use it for commercial purposes. You can download a bunch of photos from this site for free without any attributions required, so you can then upload these photos to the first site, and then you can earn money while you sleep. The home page of their website right here shows over 1.9 million plus high-quality stock images, videos, and music uploaded by our talented community. It's really a great site with so many different pictures that you guys can download. So now what you want to do is search for a specific keyword that can be anything, but for this video I'm going to use the keyword forex, and as soon as I hit enter, I'll see a bunch of pictures of forests for free. So if I just go ahead and click on them, if I click on one of these photos, there's a button right here that says free download. So I can go ahead and click that, and it will give me a list of resolution options I can choose from so I can download the photo. To make sure that your photos are of high quality, you need to make sure they are at least 1080p before you download them. So after you have chosen your resolution, just go ahead and download them. As soon as you click the download button, you're ready to begin uploading these photos that you downloaded. And once you're done uploading, you will receive a link to the files, and when people download them, you will be able to start earning money. After watching this video, make sure you subscribe to our channel before we leave. Don't forget to hit that like button and leave a comment down below so you get notified when we post new content on this channel. I'll see you guys in the next video.